Hi folks, welcome to Dutchy Cooking, where today we're going to be making this beautiful Oklahoma Onion Burger, or its trendy name, a smashburger. It's Dutch oven cooking, cast iron cooking, live fire cooking, or you're just here for the recipes. Don't forget to subscribe. So we're going to start off with a grill on our charcoal stove, and all we're going to do is toast 2 seeded rolls. Once they're toasted, we're just going to take them off and put them to one side and get ready to cook the burger. So now we've got a cast iron flat top on our charcoal stove. I've just added 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. We're just going to let this warm up, then I'm going to start cooking the burger. For my burger, I'm using 175 grams, that's 6 ounces of ground Wagyu beef. You can use ground beef with a 80-20 ratio. Now I'm going to smash these burgers out. I'm using an old cast iron. This weighs 2.7 kilos or 6 pounds. Yeah, you don't need much force behind this, you just let the iron do the work. Now we're going to give our burgers a second press. Now it's time to add the onions. Here I've got 1 thinly sliced onion. I slice these on a mandolin. If you're going to do that, watch your fingers. Also, I added about 2 teaspoons of salt to these and put them in the fridge to draw some of the moisture out of the onions, and then I've patted them dry. I want these onions to fry. I don't want them steaming in any water under the burger. So we're going to get our weight again, and we're going to push these onions into the burger. Now we're going to season. I've just got some salt and pepper in here. I'm just going to give these a good grind on each burger. So we're just going to have a check, see if these are ready to turn. Yeah, these are ready to turn, so I'm going to flip these. And this is what we're looking for, this Maillard effect on the top, on the surface of the burger. This will add an extra crispiness to the burger when it's finished. So, just going to give another press. I'm just going to let these onions and the burger cook out. So the final thing to add is some cheese. I'm using some smoked jalapeno cheese, but you can use whatever cheese you like. Just going to make some room between these burgers, and now I'm going to cloche these burgers to steam that cheese. So our cheese is melted. And these burgers are ready. Time to get these burgers off the grill and get them onto our buns. One off. The second one. The only garnish we're going to add to these is some American mustard. So there we have it. That's Dutchy's Oaklahoma Onion Burger, or a trendy smash burger. I must admit, this is the best burger that I've ever tasted. If you like what we're doing here at Dutchy Cooking, please subscribe and don't forget to hit that bell.